Hello kids, today we learn small abcd. Firstly, name of color. Let's get start. Red color, dark green color, brown color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, small A for ant, parrot green color, B for bear, yellow color, C for car, red color, D for donut, purple color, E for egg, dark green color, F for fish, brown color, G for giraffe, orange color, H for horse, peach color, I for insect, yellow color, J for joker, green color, K for kangaroo, blue color, L for lamb, pink color, M for monkey, sky blue color, N for nest, brown color, O for octopus, purple color, P for peacock, parrot green color, Q for queen, red color, R for rose, peach color, S for sunflower, yellow color, T for tiger, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.